Ubak Bindo Lanong way na kinuelam sing pertaya po kajala. Ubadero menta UMDC syusi HKHDC ula Pynmih ikakot syapang kajingye lenti kajala. Hakini kisan post 6. Kabal ay kerteng Golden Meghalaya. Ia kanigakot laplay pajba da ubak medba lengdo ubre ulampang kajala. Haka arpuy terik menta ukla lengkot arajar arpuar. Haka jingrakhe dap san post 6 kajala. Haka jingalang kablalong ha assembly barim kabadon hakanailat shilong. Hakanigakot ubak Bindo ulato nadu balapan benaya kajala Meghalaya kum kajala Bapura syapang kinoyle Hill State ki MLA ki balakat no bat ki bamenta ki lampang ka yingdor bar thawan ki khot ka yingdor bar Lok Sabha baraja sabha bat ki we ki jingjia.
I'm grateful also to Dr. Donyang Marwanyang. He was always part and parcel of the public affairs and all that in the past, till now also. And thanks to you all once again. In fact, there's nothing in particular to talk about, but there is something in particular to distribute the book which was released by Honorable Speaker Ahmed Lingdo on the 21st of this month in the Assembly premises. I must tell you that myself and Dr. Jemino met the Chief Minister 1 week before the statehood anniversary. We met in his bungalow, where I handed over a copy of the book to him, and with a request that he will do the honor to release the book, this Golden Meghalaya, depicting the political events of Meghalaya from its inception, right from its inception till now. In fact, the Chief Minister accented that he will release the book, but I think because of many other heavy programs and all that, so since the book was not listed in the program of the Chief Minister on the 21st, then immediately I requested the Speaker to kindly do the honor, and the Speaker released the book accordingly in the evening of the 21st January, where there was also a program to celebrate the anniversary, the golden anniversary of 50 years of the attainment of the statehood. So that was done within the premises of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, and the Speaker released the book formally in the evening of the 21st January, as I have already told you. About this book, I'll just give you a very brief highlight. The book went back to the early years. Hill State movement was thought about, planned, and all that. And, I have no comment to make, but just to report about the events that took place right from day one. See, the hill leaders comprising those areas right from North Kachar Hills, Karbi Anglong earlier, so the North Kachar Hills, I remember there was one minister also, Mr. J.B. Hagjar. Mr. J.B. Hagjar, he was Minister Assam. He was one of the leaders who was in this engagement to think about demanding a state for the hill areas. And then from Mizoram, then initially, even the Nagas were there initially, but they left, shortly after that. So finally, it was left with leaders from North Kachar Hills, Mizoram, then Garo Hills, and Khasi Jainti Hills. So in 1954, there was an organization by the name of EITU, Eastern India Tribal Union, was formed in 1954, comprising leaders from those areas I have mentioned just now, North Kachar Hills, Mizoram, then Garo Hills, Khasi and Jainti Hills. Then there's speculation about Assam dominating the proceedings of administration in the sense that they had the intention to impose Assamese language in all these areas. And according to history, there were other reasons also behind the thought for demanding the state of their own for the hill areas. Like, the prejudice by the Assam leaders towards hill areas.